In this video, I will show you how to apply for a Crypto.com card. So applying for a Crypto.com card is pretty simple. First, if you haven't done so yet, you need to just download and sign up to the Crypto.com app on your phone. Then you will need to verify your identity, so upload a ID photo and a selfie to complete the KYC process. Now from there you will see the card section in the bottom right. Now here I already have a card, but what you can do is here apply for a card. And once you have done that, you will first get a virtual card, just like I have here. But then there's a few more things you can do. First, if you click more and then settings, you can request a physical card right here at the top. So to do that, just click on that, enter your address, and it will send it to you. The other thing you can do is in the top right where it says basic for me, is click on that. And then you can choose a different plan by going right here to the Crypto.com card. And then here what you can do is click on upgrade in the top right, and there you can get a different plan where you can get different benefits on your card. So you can do that right here if you want to. But now you know how to apply for a Crypto.com card. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.